Intermediates, it's Jen Massey, and today is Tuesday. So we're going to get the day started with our morning workbook. I'll give you a moment to go get that ready and make sure that you have your pencil and your crayons. Now, yesterday we talked about writing our names, and that hasn't changed. We still always will practice writing our names. So have your grown-up take a highlighter and write your name on the front page. Then we'll go to the next one. On this page, we talk about triangles. Remember the three-pointed shape. 1, 2, 3. On this page, you will take your pencil and trace the 3 triangles. And when you're done, you'll look at the color codes inside each triangle. The first color code is G. So on our chart, G is for green. The next is R. R is for red. And then B. B is for blue. Make sure you get those colors ready so you can color them in. Our next page talks about BR. BR on our chart is brown. So you will color the bear brown, the dog brown, the acorns brown, and Jen Massey's favorite snack, chocolate brown. Here's the fun page. There are lots of letters here. You are going to only look for 2 letters on this page. You can have your grown-up highlight those 2 letters. It is big N and little n. So on this page, only look for the letter that goes up, down, up. And circle all the big N's and circle all the small N's. Finally, your favorite part of the book, the maze. There are a lot of different ways to go through this maze, but you need to help get the animals each to their spot to eat. So take your finger and trace all along and find out where they'll have their next lunch. The bear needs to get down to the water so he can catch fish. And when you're done, that will be your workbook for today. The PM book, same thing as always, write your name on the front page and have a grown-up trace your name with a highlighter. Page 2 happens to be square. 4 corners on a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to take our pencil and trace the square here, here, and here. Then follow the color code. R, if you remember, is for red. Y is for yellow. B is for blue. Make sure you have those 3 crayons with you. The next page is my favorite. It's a car page. Now we have a car that we will color B for blue. So make sure you have it ready. Color all of the car blue. Then the wheels should be BL for black. The next page shows us a lot of different nets. Nets can be used to catch butterflies or even fish. Now, on this page, there are squiggly lines that you need to trace. So use your pencil and trace those squiggly lines to complete the picture of each net. And the last page for the PM book, we always end it with our favorite maze. This one is a lot easier than the morning book, but it's still fun. Take your finger and trace the line to the end. And that's your book for the PM. Now, let's go over to the calendar. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Let's start out with our Days of the Week song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sunday, for a day. Don't come to school because it's closed. But today, here we are, Tuesday. It still is March 2020. And today, the sun was out. The sky did have little bits of blue and white clouds. And it wasn't very cold, but we still need to wear those important things on our body. We still need a shirt. We definitely need to have long pants. Sneakers would be a good choice today. We don't need boots like yesterday. And a jacket on top to keep extra warm. Now let's talk about the date. Yesterday, we were here at 23. Today, we've moved over to 24. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We're still in the month of March, but it is now Tuesday, March 24. Now let's see who's with Jen Massey on Tuesdays in the morning and afternoon. Let's go. It's time for our favorite game, the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's play the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's all play. Who's here with Jen Massey on Tuesday? Alex, Easton, Michael, Sean, Alex, Luke, James, Emily, Mason, Charlotte, Jack, Olivia, JP, Zoe, Mia, and Ryan. Thanks for coming, guys, and thanks for tuning in. Now, it's time to take a look at our shapes. Yesterday, we did different shapes. We did star and triangle. Today is circle. Circle is different from star and triangle because it is missing a point. No points at all. A circle goes around and around. The other shape is octagon. This has a lot more points. It actually has 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are the two shapes for the day, circle and octagon. And now let's take a look back over here at our letter windows. We always need to practice our letters because we're going to pre-K soon. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And right over here, let's do some more practice of our numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now make sure you keep counting and practicing your letters, and I'll see you soon when we can do it together. Let's go over for story time now. This story is titled Wind. Now there's a lot of wind going on right now. Remember, we talked about what wind is. Intermediates, what is wind? That's right, wind is air that is moving. And what does wind sometimes feel like? Let's think. That's right, wind can be cold, wind can be warm, wind can be hot. It all depends on the weather. Wind. When the wind blows, leaves fall. When the wind blows, seeds scatter. When the wind blows, boats can sail. And when the wind blows, kites can fly. Sorry. When the wind blows, waves roll, and when the wind blows, trees bend. When the wind blows, tumbleweeds tumble, and when the wind blows, sand ripples. When the wind blows, windmills spin, and when the wind blows, balloons float. And when the wind blows, all flags can wave. So Jen Massey's waving goodbye for now, but I will see you tomorrow on Wednesday. I miss you guys.